In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for software development. If you're managing a development team or working on coding projects, ClickUp offers a powerful template that can streamline your entire workflow from sprint planning to bug tracking. Let's walk through setting this up step by step. First, grab your computer or device and open your web browser. Head over to clickup.com. Once you're on the home page, it's time to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want to establish your software development project, as this will determine how all your tasks and boards are organized. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your main panel. This is where all the magic happens. Now look for the option labeled Spaces and click on it. Spaces in ClickUp are like containers that help you organize different areas of your work. From the list that appears, select the specific space where you intend to manage your software development setup. This could be a dedicated tech space or maybe a general projects area, depending on how your workspace is structured. Next, you're going to locate the plus icon next to the space you've just selected. When you click this icon, you'll see a menu with several options for creating new content within your space. You'll want to select templates from that menu. This is where ClickUp really shines, offering pre-built frameworks for all kinds of workflows, and trust me, it can save you hours of manual setup. In the template library, use the search bar at the top to type in software development. Once you enter that, a variety of options will appear in the results. Go ahead and click on the software development template when it surfaces. Now you'll be taken to a preview page where you can see everything this template includes. Let's take a moment to review the items bundled in here. This template comes packed with several useful features: 4 status groups that track your tasks through different stages, 4 custom fields to add specific data, like priority or sprint number, and even 2 tags for quick categorization. You'll also find 4 view types, which allow you to visualize your work in multiple ways, as well as 1 automation that helps streamline repetitive actions. These elements are designed to give you a complete software development management system right out of the box. Once you've had a chance to soak in all the details, go ahead and click Use Template. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to input a folder name for this template. It's best to type in something clear and descriptive, like software development. This name will help you quickly identify this project area later, especially if you're juggling multiple initiatives. After entering the folder name, click Use Template once again to confirm and finalize the setup. Now ClickUp will begin generating the entire structure for you, complete with all the statuses, fields, views, and automations included in that template. This process might take a few moments, so go grab a coffee or take a deep breath while everything gets set up in the background. And there you have it. You now have a fully functional software development workspace in ClickUp. The template comes with a built-in guide, so take a moment to explore and read through it carefully. This guide will walk you through maximizing the features included in the template, from managing sprints and tracking bugs to assigning tasks and monitoring progress. It's definitely worth your time to dive into these functionalities. It'll help you get the most out of your new setup. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy project managing.